என்னது அது உன் கையில இருக்கிறது என்ன? cow. Say cow. Cow. You have seen the horse. Come and arrange the pet animals in the form. Madhu, come. Come Naveen, hold it. Horse. Say the name of the pet animal and keep in the form. Say the name first. முதல்ல சொல்லுங்க என்ன பேர் என்ன சொல்லுங்க. What's this? What's the sound of cat? Sound is big on cat. Dog says cow says duck says quack quack. Duck says quack quack. Say quack quack. Very good. Small squirrel here. Yes. Dog says. Cat says. Duck says. Quack quack. What is this? Grass. We have made a form here. Now we are going to fix this form animal one by one. Come on, Bhuvan. When the horse will stand here, you just fix here. Can you please fix here, Bhuvan? நீங்க fix பண்ணுங்க, cow fix பண்ணுங்க. That's good. What the cow will eat? What the cow will eat? Come on. Fix it and take your hands, okay? Fix it. Okay, take your hands. Wait, horse, fix this. Wait, Maya. I'll give you. Take your hands, okay? Let it be here. Wait. I'll give you one more. Horse. Yes, you can. Elephant is not a farm animal, baby. Cow. Horse you want? Okay, I'll give you horse. Fix it. Come on. You fix it, ma. You fix one. Come on. Fix one. Come on. Pray, come on. Take one and do it. Come. Come on, baby. Come on. Fix it and play it. So, how it will eat grass? Can you show me? See, this will eat grass like this. Can you show me how it will eat grass? Yes, it's all started eating grass. Yes, see. What does the cow give us? Our cow என்னமா கொடுக்கும்? Milk. Very good. Take this. Horse. Keep the horse here. Horse lives in stable. Wait. Varsha, keep this goat here. Just keep it here. Okay. Leave it. What is it? Thank you. Dotted down. Wait. I give you. Take this off. Keep it there. Cow. Keep it. Doesn't beetle. Keep it. Sure. Come here. It's going to sit on this. Fly. It's going to sit on that. Okay. Now keep this horse there. Vicky, keep ma. Keep the sheep. Keep this donkey there. Okay, no problem. Wherever you want, you can keep. Take this. Take this sheep. Auntie will give. Wait. Keep this. Take this. Take this goat. Keep it there. Now what is this? What is this? Siren, what is this?